Hi, this is Mike with Higher Precision, and today we're going to be looking at the Mitutoyo Quick Mini, and that's a SKU number of 700-118-20. Okay, now let's take a look at the Quick Mini features. This tool, the first thing you can see on here is a small, compact design, which makes it easy if you're moving it around on a shop floor or if, say, you have it in a laboratory. The next thing you can see on here is the lever on the top, which allows us to be easy to open and close the anvil. This is great because if you are measuring something 5, 10, 50, 100 times throughout the day, if you're using a micrometer and you have to use the ratchet, it's going to get old doing it 5, 6, 7 times. It's also a pain trying to line that up and check the measurement. You also might tend to cheat, leave it half cranked open, go to slide in your piece and ding up your anvil, and now you're throwing off the measurement completely. Another great thing with this is it's a 0 to ½ inch range, plus minus a thou accuracy, and it also has a resolution of 5/10. A last note on this is the electronics on it. It's only 4 buttons and simple to use. So we're actually going to take a deeper look now on just how to use these electronics. The Mitutoyo Quick Mini has a simple 4-button display. You can see here on the bottom left, your on-off. Then you have your inch metric, your origin if the battery dies, and you put a new battery in, you hit this just to set the scale to origin to 0. Then your actual 0. If we hit the 0 here while it's closed, just to check, I have a 60 thou pin gauge here I'm going to put in. Reads out to 60 thou, just check the repeatability. If you do have a master and you'd like to zero it on the master, so when you put the part in to check, you can just hit it here. Say we take out the master, I take another pin gauge off the line, open it. I would know this is in spec. If it was reading under or over, I would know the part is no good. This is the 700-118-20 Mitutoyo Quick Mini. If you have any other questions or need any more other information, please feel free to reach out to us at HigherPrecision.com. And until next time, I look forward to speaking with you.